Hey guys, we are in our third week of our probability unit, and I have an important announcement about this week. I have decided to postpone your test until week 4. I just felt like after reviewing some of the formatives and your practice from the week, I felt like we need a little more practice. So I'm giving you some additional review activities this week. You will go ahead and complete your study guide for the test, but your test will be at the beginning of week 4. So you have the entire week to continue practicing and reviewing probability. Okay, so on the overview page, you'll see our classes are on Tuesday and Thursday. Um, on Tuesday, we will be doing the math lib that you'll see in a second together. On Thursday, we will work on your study guide. So call in and I will help you work through some of those assignments. Here's your suggested pacing. On Monday, step 1, Tuesday, virtual class in your math lib, as I mentioned just a second ago. On Wednesday, your study guide. On Thursday, I'll be going over the study guide and any questions that you had, and that wraps up your week. So you have kind of Thursday to finish up anything that you didn't finish for the week. And on Friday, you can work on assessment 12. Okay, so that is it for this week. Let's look at your learning path. Okay, on step 1, I have given you a video recap of your Edge-Elastics from the previous week. I just felt like there were some commonly missed questions that I went over. I only go over really the most commonly missed, but hopefully in that you will learn something and then be able to take that to any other questions that you missed. So I've released those scores and the correct answers. You should be able to go back and review those, find any mistakes, and use this as a way to make sure you are learning from those and ready to complete the assignments this week. Okay, then there's a treasure hunt. You're going to click on the Bitmoji. When I click on that, it's going to take me to a site that looks like this, Pirate Probability. You're going to follow the treasure hunt. You can click here to see the list of all the locations, but you'll notice as you start your treasure, start on the map, you will see that each kind of link will pop up, okay? So you have different activities along the way as you get to the treasure, okay? So when you click on those, it may take you to a video, it may take you to an assignment, but just some review activities, okay? That's it for step 1. On step 2, this is the day of our virtual class. We will be working on this probability math lib together. And if you click on it, it will take you to a math lib, okay? So I can pull that up now and show you what it will look like. Okay, so there are 10 questions. You're going to answer each of the questions, and then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there is an answer key. So some of these questions are a little bit more challenging, so make sure you're reading them carefully. But like I said, we're going to work on this together in class. Hopefully everyone will choose to call in for that. When you are preparing to do your math lib, just make sure you've got pencil, paper, and calculator. You do not need to print this out. You can do it on paper, but you will need to have something with you so you can set up your probability equations correctly. Please don't just use your calculator. Make sure you're setting them up on paper. Okay, on the next step, you are moving on to your study guide. I did say that we will spend Thursday's virtual class answering questions about your study guide. I would like for you to go ahead and attempt it on Wednesday, get through what you can, and then on Thursday when you call in, we will go over questions that you have, we'll work any problems that you didn't finish, and we'll do a lot of that together. You'll notice that your answer key is there, so if you're not able to call in, you are able to work your problems and check with the answer key. Okay. Finally, I did put together just kind of this is super quick, but it is a sway, which is just a presentation, but I thought it would be fun for you to see like all of the, how probability is used in the real world. So if you click on play in the top right corner, it will take you to this presentation, and it's just real quick. You can scroll down here for the arrows if you haven't used Sway before, but it talks about all the different ways that probability is used in the real world. For this day, this is really all you have, so you can use that to get caught up on anything that you didn't finish for the week. Maybe you have things that you didn't finish from the previous weeks, and just make sure you're ready for the test that will be assigned on Monday the following week, okay? Your assessment 12 is also available to you. So use Friday to finish up your assessment 12 if you've not already done that. Okay. I hope you guys have a great week. Message me if you have any questions. Bye.